All right, thank you. No doubt you have seen a lot of pink over the past few weeks. That is because, of course, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and all month long, a hair salon in Lakeland is doing something very special to help raise awareness and money. Michael Rose Hair Designs on South Florida Avenue offering pink hair extensions and pink feathers for their customers. Those extensions, which are available throughout the entire month, are made with real hair, and they cost $15 a piece. They actually just dyed the hair pink. All proceeds from this promotion will be donated to the American Cancer Society, but that's not all they are doing. For the third year in a row, they're holding an event called Hair for Hope. People can donate 8 inches or more of their hair to make wigs for people battling cancer who can't afford to have them done.
Cancer strikes every family. In my family, my mother passed from cancer, and my sister has uterine cancer. And I just feel that this is something I can give back to the community.
Hair for Hope is tonight from 5:30 to 8 at Michael Rose Hair Designs. It's at 3139 South Florida Avenue in Lakeland. Again, they will take hair donations of 8 inches or more. They prefer untreated hair, meaning no perm, no color, none of that stuff, but don't let that stop you. All donors will get a free haircut and a discount on a future cut. And for more information, you can log on to TVO.com and search Hair for Hope.
That's going to be hugely popular.
It is, yeah.